In primetime news this evening, nabbed. Suspect in 2-year-old's abduction tracked and held by the police. DPP begins first murder sentence appeal, and dog owners sparing no expense in laying man's best friend to rest. A TVJ News in Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, the official start of the hurricane season is on the horizon. Are you prepared? Give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.